Hello children, Standard 5. We learned chapter 1, A Cat's Tale, part 3. Sorry, I have written part 2. It is part 3. Okay. We have seen in the part 2 that pet cat Tim is narrating about herself. Tim narrates that she is born in Delhi. She is originally from the Thailand, a breed of carrot, and she has come, some ancestors, some people had come early and then she is here, and cat never went back to Thailand. He is there around the city, roaming all around, wandering one place to another. No way to live, no home is there and nobody is there. And once he met a cat called, who had been in the president's house nearby in the bush, who speaks so much, he spoke continuously boasting about it. So Tim says that cats usually speak about their appearance, but this cat was too much speaking, which I did not like it. He says, I did not like about this cat. And he says, I have no house, no one. I go one place to another. I move around because I don't have anybody. I go to the park, sit on the wall. I am a good climber. And not only I, it's many cats. They are good climbers. They climb all around to catch some bird or protect from the other animal or other people or some wild animals. They catch and cats and they eat up. So they climb very fast on the top. So he says cats are usually good climbers. Now let us listen the other class what happens. Thanks to all the cartoons and stories about us. So he says that many people are there who make about us cartoons and good stories they create. They write many stories are about the cat. Most of you think that we spend much of our time chasing mice. So he say that you usually think that we cats are mostly famous for catching the mice, rat. I watch the old humans jog and stretch. Sometimes many of them gather together and laugh loudly. He's saying, I see in the park many old people stand there, do the jogging, playing. Some people walk. Some are standing and laughing and cracking some jokes. The truth is that we don't really have much time for the little fellows. We would much rather be taking a stroll, finding something to eat and taking a nap. So he's saying the cats are not only looking for the rat, but we look something to eat. We enjoy eating and also we enjoy taking a nap. Taking a nap means sleep. They little time sleep, catch something, eat, again sleep. So they enjoy taking nap. My favorite spot for a rest is on the top of the brick wall that goes around the park. He is telling that my favorite place is around the park, the wall, brick wall, where I go and sit, sleep and watch the people. They are jogging, they are walking and also they stand together, laugh, talk, laugh, enjoy, crack some jokes. They are members of a laughing club I find it quite strange and scary. So he's telling, I feel so funny. People are simply standing and joking and jogging and joking each other. Sometimes their laughter is too loud, which is, I am frightened. I am scared of their laugh. In the evening, the children who come to play on the swing and slides, some of them being their pet dogs and cats. So he's telling in the evening, there are children who come to the park, they play on the swing, they swim, they enjoy, and they bring their pet along with them, their cat or dogs, and they take care of too much. I am jealous of them that they are lucky. Someone is there who takes care of them, who plays with them. Their owners love them so much. So he's telling why he is jealous, because their owners love them too much. They take such good care of them, but I also like my independence. So he's saying their owner love them too much, but they tie and keep. They take care of them very well. But I am also happy that I have independent. I don't depend on anybody's. I go wherever I want. I eat whatever I can get, and I enjoy freely. But they are tied up. Yes, I have to look after myself, but I can go wherever I want to. He's telling, yes, I have to search for food for myself. I have to do something. They get freely. Their master gives them. But still, I have freedom to go anywhere I want. I want to, and with whoever I want to go. So I can go with them and also anybody whom I want. But these pet ones, their only master can take care, other no. If anybody catches, they will think that they are robbed and they make a problem. So children, today learn some word meaning. Wander. Wander means walk slowly with no exact destination. Thrilling, very exciting. Stop, touch gently. Teaching, talking, taking a stroll, walking somewhere in a slow, relaxed way. So children, this word meaning, please learn it. Okay, thank you.